The presentation of Budget 2024 is the first budget of Modi 3.0 and the seventh consecutive budget presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The budget emphasizes the government's focus on supporting vulnerable groups, including the poor, women, youth and farmers, while highlighting the continued growth of the Indian economy. A significant highlight of this budget is the reduction in customs duty on gold and silver, which has been brought down to 6%. The move is aimed at making these precious metals more affordable, benefiting consumers who invest in gold and silver for various purposes, including jewelry and savings. The reduction extends to imported jewelry and platinum, providing wider access to these items. To provide relief to cancer patients, the Finance Minister announced that cancer drugs will become cheaper. This reduction in prices is expected to reduce the financial burden on patients and their families, making essential treatments more accessible and affordable. The budget also brings good news for consumers of mobile technology. The basic customs duty (BCD) on mobile devices and chargers has been reduced by 15%. This reduction is aimed at making these essential gadgets more accessible to the general public, promoting greater connectivity and technological advancement. Apart from gold, silver and mobile devices, the budget includes price cuts for several other items. Items such as fish meal, leather goods, chemicals, petrochemicals and PVC flex banners will see a reduction in cost, making them more affordable for consumers and businesses. A major focus of Budget 2024 is the revision of tax slabs under the new tax regime. The updated tax rates are designed to provide relief to taxpayers, encourage compliance and reduce the financial burden on individuals and families. The details of the revised tax rates are as follows: 0% tax on annual income up to 3 lakh rupees, 5% tax on annual income between 3 lakh rupees and 7 lakh rupees, 10% tax on annual income between 7 lakh rupees and 10 lakh rupees, 15% tax on annual income between 10 lakh rupees and 12 lakh rupees, 20% tax on annual income between 12 lakh rupees and 15 lakh rupees, 30% tax on annual income above 15 lakh rupees. Apart from these changes, the standard deduction has been increased from 50,000 rupees to 75,000 rupees per annum. This adjustment means that under the new tax regime, individuals with an annual income of 7.75 lakh rupees will not have to pay any tax due to the increased standard deduction. The revised tax slabs and increased standard deduction are aimed at providing significant tax relief. For example, if a person's income exceeds 7.75 lakh rupees under the new assessment system, they will have to pay 10% tax. Similarly, income between 10 lakh rupees and 12 lakh rupees will be taxed at 15%, 12 lakh rupees and 15 lakh rupees will be taxed at 20%, and income above 15 lakh rupees will be taxed at 30%. Budget 2024 has introduced several measures to make essential commodities cheaper and provide tax relief to a large section of the population. By reducing the prices of critical commodities such as gold, silver, mobile devices and cancer drugs and revising the tax slabs, the government aims to support economic growth and public welfare. These changes reflect the government's commitment to meet the needs of its citizens while promoting a strong and resilient economy.